birthday present.
Now what?
What are you doing?
These are birthday presents.
They are?
Yep.
I don't know about that. I don't think the tools work. Which he knows about, picked out, and keeps asking me for every
Hey,
day.
that's our present.
Oh, look, I see one to hold it.
You can take on the floor. You can take on the floor. No, to the floor, not me. Floor. No floor.
Sounds better with the drumsticks.
Sounds even louder. Is that louder?
I don't know. I think we should go in a band.
Sounds great. Oh, here's the other one.
Wait. Tickle. Well, I'm not tickling.
Look at her. She's doing the rockets. This is awesome. Come over here in our band.
That's
She
our
throws one.
present screw.
Vicky, you can be the dancer.
I'll do this. Yeah, right. That's what you're going to be.
That's my tambourine.
Well, I know it. I want to
There you go. The tambourine.
Come on.
Well, we're in a band. You got to share the music.
I know. How will you have a band if you take every toy away from us?
Well, hey, no.
Listen, Jason. She's doing the maracas. I'm going to do this. Your mom's going to do this, and you're going to play the drums.
Ready?
And then we're going to give it all back to you, okay?
Ready?
I promise.
Ready? Here, Meg. Shake it
I
up.
promise.
Right? Ready?
I promise. Come on,
Ready?
we're all going to do music. Ready?
Ready, Mark? Get
Go
set.
ahead. Ready?
Hurry.
1, 2, go.
You're such a brat. You're such a brat.
We got a pretty good band over here. Are you sure you don't want to join?
Look at she eats stuff.
Look at her, she likes it. She's so cute.
Come on, Meg.
Shaky. Come on, do the drums. You're a drummer boy.
Do you want to do the tambourine and I'll do the drum?
No.
You're the drummer boy.